2, 1, go. There once was a little sea turtle named Leo. He hatched on a beach in Brazil near Rio. He struggled to make it to the sea at night.
Leo was brave and put up a good fight. Mimi ni kasa wa baharini. I'm a sea turtle, the biggest batini. Follow your heart, you're bright and smart. Never give up, keep your chin up. You're on the right track, so don't look back. Ride the wave, Leo the brave.
Each day swam farther and farther away. He met a wise eagle ray named
Sunny Ray. She told him to watch out for all the trash in the sea. Trash that looks like food and nets that are very hard to see. Those things don't belong here, and they won't disappear from the sea or get washed away.
She gave him a hug and swam down to the ocean's floor. That made him careful a little bit more.
Leo was happy he learned something new from his friend. He continued his voyage in the vast ocean, which seemed deep with no end, drifting warm currents and battling heavy storms. Leo came across a kelp forest.
With fish that looked like worms? He approached the 3 eels.
Lacey!
Ellie!
Kelly!
They were scared and shaking like jelly. What happened, and why are you so afraid?
There's something above that's smelly and causes dark shade.
Leo was fearless and rushed to see what was blocking the view.
A huge garbage patch floated over our home, stuck together like glue.
Full of nets, plastic, rubber, and even an old shoe.
Oh, when Leo told Ellie about it, her response was just,
Ooh!
Leo advised them to leave and find a new home. Clean, colorful, without any strife.
with friends, it's safer to travel and more fun to explore.
Now Leo hakuwa peke yake tena, akakuwa na furaha kuwa na wenzake.
They embarked on an adventure into the blue, stopping at places, just passing through. One beautiful day they met
An old swordfish called the Blade.
Who told them of a clean, gorgeous reef where his friends once stayed.
Leo was excited. He couldn't wait. Knowing he made it felt really great.
But something was different. His flipper was tangled. A small fishing line was around it.
Oh no.
Leo felt strangled!
Ellie and Kelly tried to chew through it. Then Lacey said, "Let me try to undo it."
She tried and tried, but Leo's flipper was stuck.
I guess Leo was having some bad luck.
They drifted for days, but finally reached a reef. There was nobody to help them, no sign of relief.
Then Leo gave up and swam to the shore. His flipper was painful. He was exhausted and sore.
He spotted some people in the distance. And then, come on kids, come up.
Yes, kuja sasa tusaidie Leo kumtoelea hizi uchafu. Na tutoe hizi
All
uchafu.
this, okay?
Tuziweke kwa bagi.
Put all the trash in the bag. Come on. Let's clean the ocean. Okay, clean the ocean. No more trash left. Clean the ocean. And save Leo. Well done, kids. Thank you so much. You can take your seats now.
The reef all around was now clean and beautiful.
All thanks to people who cleaned up the beach every day from all the trash that kept washing away.
They care for the ocean and all the creatures that swim in it, depending on food from the ocean and all other benefits from within it.
The reef all around is clean and protected by people who live by the ocean and are most affected.
So remember to recycle and sort out your trash, because it stops all marine life from making
A splash!
When you walk on the beach and see something that doesn't belong, just imagine it could have traveled from
Miami,
Sydney!
Mumbai,
or Hong Kong.
Nchi zote duniani tuko pa kitu kimoja. Tulinde mazingira.
There are other dangers in the water for turtles and fish.
A plastic bag could be mistaken for a jellyfish.
A turtle can munch on it and get really sick. Oh, my tummy hurts.
a bottle cap can be eaten by a mommy bird or her little chick.
Ni muhimu tulinde mazingira.
It's important to care for our planet Earth. The cleaner it is, the more it is worth. Please, repeat with me. The cleaner it is, the more it is worth.